This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Our Christmas tree turned out so beautiful.
You are right, Daddy Pig. We should make our family photo with it.
Let's call a professional.
Hello. Yeah? So, you need a Christmas photo, huh? You called just the guy. I'll be right there. Oh, hi!
Please, welcome. Where do we stand?
Here, let me show you. Alrighty. Are you ready?
Make us look great.
Say cheese! Uh-oh, my camera went black and white!
But we need colored photos.
Sure. I'll be right back. Roger! Rog! I need your help!
What's up, Sammy?
My camera doesn't want to take colored photos!
Okay, don't panic. I've got an idea. But first we need to transfer your picture here. Check this out. Whoosh! What do you say?
See? I told you, it's not bright at all!
But it will be soon. The first step is to outline everything with this
What
liner.
are you waiting for?
Okay, I'm on it. And I want to start here with the image of Peppa Pig. Peppa is wearing a festive cap with a big star on its top. Up next is Daddy Pig. Let's outline him properly too. Daddy Pig is wearing a Christmas cap, which he apparently cut out of paper himself. And look, friends, Daddy Pig is all wrapped around with Christmas lights. That's funny. While Mama Pig looks pretty much surprised or even worried. Don't you worry, Mama. We'll make your family photo colorful in no time. Ah, now I see. Mama Pig wants to put this star on top of this Christmas tree. Okay, I'm going to outline it next then, so she could actually do that. Here we go. There are so many Christmas decorations. Let's make them all visible. Few more touches working on the background, and we'll be done with the liner. 3, 2, 1, done!
Shiver me cheddars! Nice job, Rog!
Oh, thanks for the high praise, Sammy. But Peppa's family wanted their Christmas photo to be colorful. That means only one thing. We need markers.
And I am way ahead of you, buddy! Cut!
Whoa! So as you can see, you gathered up all the pink markers that we had. That's great, actually, because we've got a pig family, and pigs should be pink. Peppa, you're up first again. I'm using a slightly different hue to color Peppa's cheeks. And here's her wide smile. Let's make Peppa's Christmas outfit as festive as we can. I want to add a little bit of yellow first. It's like she's wrapped it to a tinsel, right? And here comes the green color. It's very Christmassy. Finally! Our Peppa Pig is so colorful now! Oh, she's so pretty! Mama Pig, it's your turn now! This time I'll use the blue color to brighten up Mama Pig's sweater dress. She looks kinda cozy in it, right? And a pair of matching slippers. Great! Red is another Christmassy color, but I don't want to add too much of it to this family picture, so I will only make this stool red, and maybe a few splashes of red here and there. Check this out, friends. We're practically halfway through. Now, Daddy, get ready. Daddy Pig is wearing a blue Christmas cap to match Mama Pig's outfit. How gentleman of him, right? Let's wrap him in some tinsel as well. This way he can be in sync with his beloved piglet Peppa. I will use a little bit of black to define the wires of the Christmas lights. And the lights themselves are going to be all colors possible. Or at least of all the colors I have today. Phew, that was a pickle to brighten them up. But I'm glad we did it. It's such a beautiful family. Now we can move on to the Christmas tree. Oh, sorry, I think it's just the Christmas spirit got into me all of a sudden. I'll make these ornaments really bright. I like it when there's a variety of colors around me during the holidays like this. And what about you, friends? Okay, great! We're done with the Christmas tree too! All that's left is to color the background. Friends, I'm going to really speed up here, and you can take time to give us a like and subscribe. Wow, I really like how this yellow wall complements the pig family. Do you like it, friends? Now let's deal with the floor.
Almost the new year, Raj. Aren't you done yet?
Almost, Sammy. And your festive look gave me a brilliant idea. Thanks. Now, with this white tinsel, the Christmas tree will look even better. And ta-da! This is it, friends. Peppa Pig's family Christmas photo is all colorful. Doesn't it look great? Sammy, come here! The pig just finished! Look!
Holy cannoli, Raj! Honestly, you outdid yourself this time. It looks amazing. The pigs will be delighted.
I'm really happy to hear that. Let's put it under the tree then. It's like a gift from me to the whole family. Happy holidays, friends. See you next year.
Oh, Mama Pig, look! Our family portrait is amazing!
It is so beautiful. Thank you.
Yes, thank you all, and happy holidays!
Hello, Your Highness.
You're all so calm. What's the matter?
Nothing's the matter. There are no official visits planned, no problems to deal with, just our own nice, quiet fairy tale tea party.
Whoa, that's a first.
I know! Isn't it splendid?
So, which fairy tale should we read?
Puss in Boots! Ha!
You always want to read that.
Well, doesn't it remind you of a certain handsome, debonair royal guard?
Ugh.
Oh, why don't we read Old King Sneezy Pants?
Oh, yeah, I love that one. Oh, are we expecting someone?
Yes, I did invite the twin princesses.
Can you believe it? The Countess is just an old softie inviting those two.
Well, I know they enjoy fairy tales, and I didn't want them to feel left out.
Those twin terrors must have been so surprised when they saw that invitation.
I'll say, When I handed it to Sydney the snail to deliver to them, he looked so shocked I thought his shell would pop.
Oh, I'm coming!
What are they doing here? It looks like they have invitations.
How can that be? We didn't send any to them unless, You must have sent them.
Me? Why would I want 10 penguins around? See what I mean?
It's okay, guys. It's nice to have surprise guests.
I can't believe she didn't invite us to her fairy tale tea party.
She's gonna regret it. Faster, pandas! Make more invitations!
That plane is from the Fragile Kingdom. Flippers off! Oh!
It's a cup, not a cap. All these penguins, it's too much.
Oh, they're not so bad. These birds have got to go.
Who knew penguins like fairy tales this much? Huh? This one's hungry.
Then let's feed them. What do penguins eat?
Fish?
Fish, fish, of course. We have tons of cans of tuna fish in the kitchen.
Not exactly.
Don't tell me you've eaten them all.
What? No, of course not. I left one.
Wait, I know a place that's full of fish. Come and get it.
What about our fairy tales?
It looks like they're moving outside.
We'll show them what happens when you don't invite us. Pandas! More invitations!
Why do I have to be the one near the water?
Because you ate all the tuna fish. Well, that's the last one. Now we can finally read Old King Sneezy Pants in peace.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Oh no! Why have we become penguin paradise?
Is this some kind of a joke?
Back off, Jabbermouth! I need my space.
It's nice to have surprise guests, but this surprise is too big.
Here comes another ship.
Oh, we're doomed!
Let's just sneak back inside the castle and maybe they'll go away.
If we can get there.
Oh, no, stop it! Stop that right now! Stop!
They're copying you. Keep going.
Ooh, 1, 2 on the right, 1, 2 on the left, 1, 2 this way, yes. Okay, 1, 2.
Who invited all these penguins?
This invitation looks perfectly official to me. It's even signed.
With Kitty Cat's paw print? You fibbing furball. It was you.
I'm telling you, I didn't do anything.
Look! Sir Kitty Cat's paw is much smaller than the print on the invitation. I know only one animal with such a big paw.
The problem pandas. I'll bet the twin princesses are behind this.
Let's find out. Elizabeth, can you keep our guests busy while we visit the twins?
Yogi Corgi at your service. All right, everyone. Deep breaths.
can't see anything. They've covered up the windows.
Oh, to be a fly on the wall and see what those pandas are up to.
Or to be a panda in the room. How about that? Oh, Shasha! At your service. Oh, what do you know? How'd I get here? I just called you, Shasha. Do you think you could make us some panda costumes? Pandas? Oh, piece of cake. No, well, well, almost.
Change of shift!
Oh, thank goodness.
Ha! No more pandas, no more invites. Problem solved.
Now we just have to figure out what to do with all the penguins we already have.
I wonder how the twins would like it if they suddenly had some surprise visitors.
I know a bunch of penguins from the Smelly Kingdom who haven't been invited anywhere yet.
Elizabeth!
Oh, there you are! Pardon me for using your carriage like this, Your Highness. I just needed a way to keep their attention.
Elizabeth, you're a genius. That's just what we need to do. Get the fairy tale book, Truman. Uh-huh. Let's read.
Once upon a time, in the land of Magicy, there lived an old king named Sneezy Pants. He got this name because every time he sneezed, his pants fell down.
Out of the way! Can't you see I'm trying to spy? Who invited you anyway, you smelly things?
An invitation for Princess Billy's fairy tale tea party. I brought it as quickly as I could.
Oh! Huh? Not more penguins!
As the good princess handed King Sneezy Pants a belt, he said, Magicy is so lucky to have a princess like you. And the princess replied,
I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. You know what? Why don't we plug the thumbster into the TV so we can all play together? That way, everyone can have fun. Okay. It'd be fun to beat you.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that.